Hello everyone. First open your Instagram, tap on your profile icon. On the top, tap on add icon, tap on story, scroll down. On the top, tap on sticker icon. Now you can search or from this section, tap on frames sticker. Now choose a photo, for example. As you see, our image add to Polaroid frames. Now you can write a caption, for example, test. After that, tap on done. After you publish this story, other people must check their phone or tap on it to see this photo. Now for publish, tap on your story. Wait to upload. Now open a story. Now tap or shake your phone to see that photo. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.